I am 𝗵𝗵𝗃, leading operations in Husky, Chennai, manufacturing hot runners and controllers. Here, Husky's global design experience combines with manufacturing capability to serve our customers better. Our engineering experts in India have a close alignment with customers to build hot runner systems tailored to their specific needs. From design to delivery, everything happens under one roof. It's all about building better systems and bringing world-class manufacturing close to the customers to serve their end-to-end requirements for both PET and non-PET needs.